We have come to visit you in peace and with goodwill.
Johnny, it's bloody Orwell's 1984 and Huxley's Brave New World. Are they still being taught in schools or what? Well, who would know, Johnny? I reckon that a lot of teachers and shit these days wouldn't be showing kids 1984 or Huxley's Brave New World because they'd be scared that the kids were going to get an idea about what the hell was actually happening. Well, who would bloody know? But whether they're bloody taught in schools or not, Johnny, that's a bloody question for another day. What I'd like to bloody show you today is how we've moved that one little step closer to actually bloody the realisation of Huxley's Brave New World.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Next, scientists have grown something that closely resembles an early human embryo without using sperm, eggs, or a womb.
Brave New World is about a futuristic society that has tried to create a perfect community where everyone is happy. They use science to mass-produce people and condition them to do and want only the things they're supposed to. The book starts with the director of the Central London Hatching and Conditioning Centre explaining to a group of students how they create people, since women don't actually get pregnant anymore.
And who can blame them? Well, I don't know whether I'd want a bloody baby either.
So this is where embryo models come in, and this is how it's done. So, there are no sperm or eggs involved. Instead, scientists start with human stem cells. These have the potential to become any type of tissue in our body. These are then transformed into the 4 types of cell you'd find in an embryo that was just 1 week old. Then 120 of them are mixed together, and you can see they start off as a jumble, but as they grow, this happens. They start to organise themselves, mimicking what a real embryo would look like 14 days after fertilisation. And we can take a look at one. Now, this might appear confusing, I admit, but we can spot some things in here. The purple cells around the outside are the ones that will grow to form the placenta.
Holy shit! Do you mean they just... Yeah, I don't know about it either, Johnny, by Jesus. Johnny, surely the bloody scientific community out there won't let this bloody technology just run rampant?
I think when the technological and applied scientific means are developed, they just tend to be used. I mean, I think one can say that the whole history of recent times in relation to science and technology shows that if you plant the seed of applied science or technology, it proceeds to grow, and it grows according to the laws of its own being.
Yeah, well, now in Huxley's Brave New World, we're all bloody, everyone's bloody grown in a test tube. Johnny, are you saying that in 10, 20, 30, 50 years maybe, we'll be bloody breeding kids in test tubes?
You're not going to believe this, but on Friday, a German molecular biologist unveiled a new concept for the world's first artificial womb facility, Ectolife, which could incubate up to 30,000 babies per year.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Introducing Ectolife, the world's first artificial womb facility, powered entirely by renewable energy.
But Johnny, it's bloody.
The facility features 75 highly equipped labs. Each state-of-the-art lab can accommodate up to 400 growth pods or artificial wombs.
Oh, Jesus. Are you saying that's... And we just do away with the family, because families bloody condition the kid to be, you know, they don't bloody condition the kid the way that the bloody government and the state can condition them.
Okay, so the state wants to disrupt your family life. I think that is abundantly obvious by now. The state wants to be your mommy, it wants to be your daddy, it wants to be the mommy and the daddy to your children. They have made this incredibly clear. And when we talk about science and the inventions and things that are happening, you start to realize that it's becoming, well, dystopian.
Yeah, the government and the state, they've taken full control, and they know what's best for everybody, and everybody will be happier. But I don't think that's a bloody way to be happy. I think we're just gonna fuck society up just by bloody doing this sort of shit. But Johnny, is there no answer to this stuff? Are we just gonna bloody slide into bloody dystopia?
That these people are fucking idiots. And they have been the entire time.